ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks played in a tree, sliding down and giggling with glee. Mama duck called out quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks swam through a gate, splashing around till it got late. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks chased butterflies, waddling under the sunny skies. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck stood all alone, quacking softly in a gentle tone. Mama duck cried quack, 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 but no little ducks came back. Mama duck went out one more time, calling her babies with every rhyme. Quack, 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 she called once more, and all 5 ducks came back to the shore.